In 1994, we moved from our house in Oranje Street number 13 to our new home under Oranje Street number 13. Whenever I asked Pa why we moved down here, he would just tell me,
Gaan speel buite.
and then Ma would tell me to come back inside. But life in our new home was very fine for a while. Pa would always say, life is like a bologna. No matter how you slice it,
Dit bly bologna.
we lived there for 16 years, 9 months and 5 days. We were down to our last tin of Janus when Pa went up to go find food for the family. It's been 3 days now, and I must go look for Pa.
Pa? Om 7 maak is nou daar.